So here we are at Little Econ State Park. This is where the unfortunate accident with that young girl was killed by an alligator. We have hiked this many times, and we have kayaked this both ways. Water is low, maybe not. I would not even wiggle my fingers in this. So we're gonna see what we can see. I can't imagine swimming in this. So let's see if we can get across this without being a mess. Thank God I got long legs. Oh man, it's messy. Alright. See what we find.
You on hold?
I can't imagine the terror that this poor girl and the people around her must have felt. And we have seen big alligators in here. Right, babe?
Yeah. Pretty wet out there.
It is wet. It looks like water's low.
The water's low, but the water rain is wet out there.
We're gonna get some water out here. Wow, it's wet.
You get a video you crossing this big pocket.
Huh?
You get a video you crossing this little creek of water and
Water everywhere.
I stepped on that root right there and did one hop. Good. No splashdown.
Oh. All right, we're gonna come to some open water here. We have seen big alligators on these banks. Not all the time, but
Yeah.
we have
They're
seen
here.
them. They're here
Year round.
year round.
You don't see them.
And I would never
Except
think
my
about
toe.
jumping into this and swimming.
Yeah, think I
Never.
wouldn't put my tippy toe in there.
No.
Even when we launched kayaks, we would scooch them off the edge of the bank.
Yeah, we've seen alligators on those banks.
Turtle.
Let's see how ledges here.
I've never had a fish out there before.
Now, you can see how murky this water is too. I can't believe they'd swim in this murky water, honey.
Well, it's full of cannons. The cannons keep it brown.
And this girl was a Florida girl. She knew the dangers of swimming in fresh water. It was, yes, she was from Orlando. I see water over here too. Wow.
And during hurricanes, when it floods, this completely floods over.
Yep.
Both sides, the Econ floods over to this little water reservoir on this side over here.
And you can see the water running over here from, this is a steep little spot here.
Nice on a weekday when everybody's working.
I'm gonna have to buy a new, this thing is wiggling a little bit up the hole like this.
Oh,
As we were coming down here, there was a snapping turtle crossing the road.
66. Very dangerous.
Dangerous road, but someone would have hit him. I know it. So I took this thing, and his bite was so hard that he broke the stick.
Oh, you got it there. Okay. Let you go do your thing up this way.
Oh, this way, yeah. It's wet here too. You can see how wet it is. Wow. Ooh, wet and slippery, guys. A little obstacle here. Hey, it looks like hogs have been through here. Hogs have been digging in here. And they've got water again. This must have fallen down. Wow. All right. Huh? You can walk around it. Wow. Okay, I'm going over this. Oh, my long legs. Wow. Come on, Bob. Yep, good. Hogs have been through here. Nope. Forgot it. Okay, the path is over here. Oh, this is really overgrown. Again, we are on the little Econ path here. Unfortunately, that girl was killed by an alligator. Unfortunately, because of human stupidity, though, two ancient alligators were destroyed. And here we go. You can see this again. We're back up here. Somewhere in here they went swimming. I don't know where, but one of these places. My question to you is, you live in Florida, would you swim in this? Not me. It's a weekday, so no one's out here. Usually on the weekends, a lot of people out here on their bikes. I get to this spot where there's water out here again. There's like a little beach over this way. Is that the beach area? I don't know if this is the spot, but here's one of the beach areas where we've walked before.
Oh, yeah, we got into the tree of the road.
Yeah. So here we go again. Believe me, I'll not get close to that water. And I've lived in Florida since 1984. I know better. There's the beach down there. All right, let's see what we can find. All right. I don't know where these kids were swimming, but man, not me. I have a previous video years ago where we were kayaking and I saw a big spot slide where an alligator had gone across. Check it out. There's a beach. One of my short videos. And I was so afraid that when I went over the hump, there was going to be a big alligator waiting for me. Thank God it wasn't. See, these beaches look inviting. But definitely not a place where big turtle right there. Check that out. Just went down. Big soft water turtle came up. And he's gone. Of course, trash. God obsessed me. I see people throwing their trash in the water. This might be the beach up here. This is the beach on our side we're going to be coming up to. This beach is the first one that... Yeah, I saw a big turtle. Insane, honey, to think you would go swimming in this. No, I wouldn't wiggle my fingers. All right.
No, we always think it was crazy that rope swing for it.
Not
The
bad.
one time we saw a guy with his family in the canoe, dad and mom and 2 kids. He was pulling the canoe and he was laying deep in the water. And it was like, oh. Or we see people with their dogs.
Oh, that's insanity. See how wet it is.
Dogs on the trail because they go in the water.
Yep. Water bottle on the ground. Unbelievable.
There's a couple of dead old cars.
Yep.
Look at all the trash.
I know. Unbelievable. Can you imagine the 5 minutes before they're walking and going, hey, let's take a dip. Yeah, let's do that. How that would change. One person would die. Yeah. Next time, you know what we're going to buy for ourselves when we go here? Because this has been flooded before. Some boots. Just some boots that we could throw on and go up to our knees. That's what we want to get.
Summer storms that make it all floody like
Yep.
this.
See over here, this is all flooded. I'll get it. Yep. Just showing all the flooding here.
Summer storms.
Yep, summer storms. It's not usually like this. Okay, I'm gonna jump this. Hold on, folks. Good sneakers on too. This looks like the best spot. Oh, maybe here. I'll step on this. There we go. Okay. I think this is the beach area we're coming over to. Yep, this is one of the beach areas, but this would possibly be something that looks like a spot where you would go. Hey, let's take a dip. She was only in. I'll go back. But this is the water where that poor young girl was killed. I don't see any alligator tail. But this is about 3 foot of water right here. I think she was just shallow in there. But if you've been around alligators, they can hide. They're so elusive and just drop. Okay, it's going to be the end of the road for me here. All right, probably going to have to put you on pause while I go up here. Yeah. All right, kids. I'll put you on pause. I'm back. Just want to give you folks a lay of the land of what it's like here on Little Econ. This is not our first rodeo out here. We've walked this many times. And we kind of got bored with it because, yep. Oh, it's insanity. But people won't be doing that anymore.
For the gators, but you get the logs and the trees that come through here. What if you jumped off that tree for the first time and there's a log that is shifted in there and
Right.
paralyzes itself? Man, we're just old.
I'm wondering.
I don't know, man.
You can see where they swing from here, and there's a ladder, and man. Got to get down here.
I ain't doing that. I'm not walking that close to the edge either.
You can go up here, or we'll go over here. All right, pausing you folks. Wow. Not sure where the spot was, but definitely one of these spots.
All right, we're only going to walk another half hour and my heart rate's starting now.
Okay, something just popped there. Yeah, back on the trail. I haven't seen the gator yet, but they're here. No, last time we came out here, which was several years ago, we saw nothing.
Yeah, well, we stopped coming out because we stopped seeing it because it's so, it's so heavily populated on the weekends. Like we just saw 2 bike people ride past.
Yeah.
But on the weekend, it's hundreds of bikers, hundreds of hikers. You don't see anything, not even deer, no hogs. We stopped hiking out here. But when we hiked here 15 years ago, you would see 12, 14 critters.
Oh yeah. I remember one time we saw 2 biggies sitting at probably I'd be surprised if those were the ones that were killed.
You never know. Well, there's actually $100. They take this even Econ down to St. John's where you can't cut and Talkahashie, and when we took our kayaks out here and I paddled back because there was
Monsters. Jurassic Park.
We're in Talkahashie.
That was the one where I had that. I saw him on the bank. He trailed me.
Yeah.
Must have been fed. Someone must have fed him. He had no fear of man, which is the worst thing you can do, is feed an alligator. It's his death sentence. And then we get to spots like this where
What's your heart rate?
oh yeah, look at that. I wonder what that is. It is nice to, I'll tell you what, if when you retire, this would be a nice weekday trail. This is the way it used to be.
Right. Yeah, I forgot my haircut. I always like to follow those guys will still drop. So, just, you never captured on phone or pictures, I never let you know.
No track.
It's all green.
Huh. Oh, mushroom. So we're coming back to the water now. Yeah.
The water, but with hurricanes over the decades, it has eroded the beachfront.
I'm gonna look over here. Let's see if there's anything over here. No, a little beach area. Just don't know where this poor girl and her friends went in. Another big turtle over here. I can only think of the chaos that was probably going on here a week ago, several days ago. Another beach area here. Man, this looks like a spot. Man. Another spot you think, oh, it's safe. It's good. Hot day, let's take a dip in the water. Alligators feel movement, so you hear splashing. I don't know if it's what it is. It's real sad for everybody. Tragic, not sad, tragic. Moving away from the water now. Coming Up to another little beach over here. My beloved with a little red necktie. Back to open water. But this is where we have seen the alligators, this walk.
I never seen going there, but it's been, I don't think he's seen in this area. Those are not here.
You would think you would too.
Well, we used to see them on the
Banks.
15 years ago, we'd see them on the banks.
Yep.
And even 10 years ago, you'd see them on the banks. But the trail bikers, up Bluff and enjoy it. It's a very cool place. I'm just for them to walk there. And not even deer tracks anymore.
And those poor hikers probably didn't see one alligator and they thought, we're safe.
You'd see signs because people have swum in here for decades.
Yeah, they have.
They swim,
Yes.
they fish in here, there's parties at night, you see all the beer cans.
Wrong place, wrong time.
We've seen hundreds of people hiking. We see people camping along here. You think it's safe, so it's not.
Yeah, you can see right there where someone climbs up there and jumps in.
Oh yeah, another tree. Gosh, that one's been there a long time.
Yeah, that one's been there.
Before the hurricane, you used to get there was more land probably 4 foot out, so it was safe to walk up there.
Right.
And we would actually climb out on the ladder. We wouldn't jump, but we'd climb out on the ladder. So this is how it's wrong. But yeah, more signs that people,
Swim here.
yeah, swim, camp.
Probably going to change it though. This was a tap.
They didn't put up signs, no swimming. But hey, if you know, you know.
You're in Florida.
Now, when I was a kid, it was legal to hunt alligators, and we hunted them almost to extinction in Florida. So when we hunted to almost extinction, as kids, my parents, we'd take my pony, my best friend and I, we'd go ride in the bar pit. I would stick my pinky in a bar pit right now, but as a kid, and another place like that, we used to all take our horses and swim out there on our horses. Now you don't stick your pinky in there.
There was a
loaded with alligators.
2-year-old kid probably 30, 40 years ago. It was killed.
1980. I would say 1988, 1990, something like that.
I was a police officer. I remember that.
Yeah, Roy was a nice dog, just sad thing. Had the dog come in and 2-year-old, and he was there for a minute, and then he was gone.
Yep. I gotta
But
do.
because they stopped year-round hunting alligators, they're just a massive intrusion now. They're everywhere.
And the development of land, we just continually.
Well, that doesn't slow them down. They get killed all the time for that. So if you go into HOA, they're going to hunt you.
More hog activity. That's a first.
What?
Hog activity. We never saw anything like that. Nothing.
Did you see all the fun little hills there for the bikers?
Yep. Fun if we were younger.
Oh, I would not.
Not now.
There's too many ways to fall or hurt yourself while having a bike. Not my cup of tea. I like my limbs. Not your path.
See what we got out here. Sheet.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place. But you can see, they're probably in that little bit of shallow water, just like that, 3 foot.
It's really fun to kayak this though.
Yeah, it is fun to kayak. And when we went the other ways, we basically went over alligators at times.
Yeah.
Dead fish right there. All right.
Silver Springs, when you can see to the bottom of Silver Springs, that's the funnest. It's
Yeah.
the scariest. You get a big old 9 or 10 footer underneath your kayak. Woo! You don't even want to put your toe in the pool house.
Come out to some more water up here. Oh, look at that big, beautiful bird. There he goes. Jumping over there, they were swimming. Something just jumped in there. Did you hear that splash? I don't know what it was. Something. Something just jumped in there. Might have been a big turtle. Now over there's another little beach. This looks like a spot where something lays. I don't know what it is, but something lays there. Another big splash there. You can see it looks like Jurassic Park. All right. Okay.
Of the river, right?
Uh-huh.
Right? I mean, 300 feet from where we're standing.
Uh-huh.
That there's still a big oak tree there, but now because of erosion, it's actually in the water.
Okay.
But they had a rope swing, and every time we rode through here, we'd see these huge gators there, and the kids are invincible.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
decided to go swimming, and this one kid came out and plunged in, and he thought he hit a tree on the bottom.
Oh boy.
And when he surfaced, this gator surfaced and bit him right on the head.
Wow.
His buddies called 911 and everybody showed up. Fortunately for him, the gator let go.
Wow.
And he survived.
Rip his freaking head off, man.
One
I
turn.
mean, well, they ended up killing the gator, and it was
Yeah.
about almost the size of what got the girl. It was 11, 12 feet. It was monstrous.
We haven't hiked out here in a long time because we never see anything. When's the last time you saw a gator in here?
Us?
Well,
Yeah.
Oh, every ride.
Every ride.
every ride, yeah.
Yeah.
If you come into winter, they're all hanging out. That's why they like this side, because the sun's shining on
Gotcha.
this side.
Gotcha.
So you'll see them, and they're full length of them.
Yeah, you wonder how many alligators are in here.
It's
Hundreds?
Gotta be.
Yeah.
I'd go higher.
Yeah.
I mean,
You have to go by how many
on a
above 10 feet do you think?
Yeah, right.
Jeez.
Right.
There's got to be 5, but there's
I mean, I know
just from where we can see.
I know from right where that tree is, there's a couple that hang out right there. That's where we're standing. There's another one that hangs out right on that corner, and there's another one that hangs out right here.
Really?
Yeah, and then as you go around the corner, you kind of get away from the bike trail, gets away from the river. But when it comes back to the river, there's a little kind of a sandy beach, and there's at least 2 that hang out there, and it's like every corner where you can see some place for them to get out of the water.
Right.
There's something.
Yeah.
Something lives in that area.
There's probably a gator right here, but the water's so muddy right.
Right, right,
Oh
right.
yeah.
It just looks. I'm looking over there. It almost looks like,
Almost looks like an alligator
right there.
on the shore.
Yeah, I was looking at.
or even in the bushes. I saw something moving just now.
Yeah. It's.
It does almost look like something. I'm sure it's just
You
a
know,
gator
they're
log. But
cold-blooded, so they usually come out in the open when they need heat.
yeah.
I don't think they need heat today.
Yeah. And then the other thing is diamondback rattlers. We had a
And
period
water
where it got so cold that they just hung out on the middle of the trail.
Really?
Big
Oh, yeah.
ones.
Wow.
I got a picture of one on my phone, and
Yeah.
he had his head in the woods, but his body was on the trail. And when I went to see how long it was, he went back, and I just started backing up quick. And then before I knew it, he was in a coil, rattling.
Wow.
Kind of
About a
things.
5-footer.
Wow.
And then there's another 4-footer over there.
You ever
but-
seen any other wildlife out here? I see hog activity, but I've never seen a
Wild
hog.
pigs.
Yeah, have you seen 'em?
deer, Eagles.
Lots of deer.
Otters.
I saw a panther in 2011. He got run over.
Oh,
Yeah.
I saw a black badger Which
Really?
People say, "Oh, there's no badgers," and I saw one, so there is.
I've never seen that. I didn't think there were any.
It was the same week I saw the panther, and it's like a carpet.
Huh.
Ran away. And
How old
then-
are you?
I'm sorry?
How old are you?
82.
God bless you, dude. I'm 70. How old are you?
71. I got you beat.
I'm gonna try to catch you, brother. I'm gonna try to catch you.
Get a bicycle.
I do a lot. I do a lot of activity.
This is the key.
Do you ever worry about is your age falling?
Me?
Yeah.
Not
No.
this guy.
No.
I can't keep up with him.
No, I'm.
Some of the stuff he goes over.
Now, what kind of trail bikes you guys got?
Well, this is a Cannondale,
Okay.
and it's a true mountain bike.
Okay.
It's got full front and rear suspension.
Right.
Whoa! I'm on a hill here. Yeah. So, God dang it!
Yeah.
Made my arm slippery.
You're better off sitting on
Gee.
that thing.
So you got the front end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I'm kind of off balance in the pack, and I'm usually not that miscoordinated, but carbon fiber
Carbon
frame.
frame is important. Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is this bike, probably?
I'm sorry.
How much?
This one's about 4,200.
This one is exactly 4,200 also. Wow. Full suspension.
Now, if you wanted to go like my son, if he wanted to go, of course he's 30, but he just had a child. How low or what would he be looking for if he wanted to get a lower price, but enough to do this?
Permission to be gone all day.
Okay, but I'm talking about a bike.
Cost-wise, oh boy, that's tough. You know, I'd say about $3,000 for a good quality
Okay.
bike.
Okay.
And if you go less than that, then you're going to start giving up something.
Yeah.
You know,
How's his back?
quality,
Back is good.
suspension.
He's a power lifter.
There's something moving right there.
So do you guys like going on this side instead of the other side?
Well, the other side's mainly for hikers.
Okay.
This is the bicycle side.
Okay.
And then when you cross over the Flagler Bridge, when you cross the river, the hikers.
This
have
is the other side.
the left side.
We're
and
kinda
the
in a-
equestrians got that
Yeah.
side
Okay.
over there on the right.
This is like a peninsula on the other side. This is a peninsula on this side. So
Yeah.
it's kind of
Well,
Kinda
that
hard to
makes
judge
sense
right
if
here.
that's the hiker side, that they were on that side when they went in the water. And she said she was.
no. They were on. Yeah, they were on that
They
side,
were on
but
that
it.
side, way up there though. Yeah.
Oh wait, no. This is. Yeah, this is. I'm all turned around. I'm not even on this
The
trip.
ranger station is like right over there.
Okay.
If you
No shit.
or to go through the woods. But this place, when we were first making this trail, this place really screwed us up because, well, there was no trail here. It was just
Brush.
It was just like walking through that
Okay.
right there,
Yeah.
you know. And so the key was we're coming this way, and the river's on your left.
Yeah.
And you come down, and the river up here makes this loop and
Yep.
comes right back up over there.
Yep.
So we ended up cutting through, and Bill, the guy, my buddy that I ride with, my next door neighbor, in fact, commented. He goes, "Hey, Ken, the river's on our right."
Yeah.
And I go, "How'd that happen? It was just on my left." Wait a minute. So now we're totally, and we're standing in the middle of this. We can't see anything.
Right.
Yeah.
We can't look up the river. You know, it's just, how the hell? So we have to start backtracking. How did we do that? You know?
Yeah. Right.
How did the river change direction? So if you ever get lost, the current in the river goes to Snow Hill
There
Road.
you go. That's the
And
key
that's
right
just
there.
a handy thing to know.
So you guys both retired?
Oh,
Yeah, actually, all of the three of us, and hopefully anybody
yeah,
over
we're the
70 's
Medicare
retired.
group.
Yeah, we are the Medicare group. Thanks, guys. It was awesome talking to you, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for the info.
There's a lot of birds out here, so
Yeah.
you'll see those. Yeah.
The trick
lot
to
of good
seeing
birds.
stuff too is to just stop. Just stop and be quiet,
Yeah.
and you'll see.
Have you seen anything today?
You know, I haven't. Have you?
Nope.
No, we've only gone a few miles, so I've only I've only got just under 3 miles, so we're just getting started. We will, before the day's over.
Yeah.
Lots of pigs out here.
Yeah, they really.
Lots.
You can tell they tear
Yeah, they tear it up. Yeah.
Yeah, and a lot of them have fairly new babies and
Yeah,
they're
you gotta be
still hanging
careful.
around mom, so you gotta be
Be
careful.
careful.
Because the babies won't hurt you, but
Mama will.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Jeez.
Yeah.
It's been awesome talking to you guys. Thank you so much for all the info.
okay.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Be safe.
As soon as I get off this particular trail,
It was nice talking to those couple chaps. Get some really good info there. All right, back on the pail. I don't know where Nicole is. Try to find her. I really want to see if there's any more water out here. Let's go over here a little bit. Wow, $4,200 for a black. Let me try a policeman. It's a lot of money. I can see where he said there's hogs out here. I'm going to try to find Nicole. I was still searching for Nicole. She took after me. I'll walk down here a little bit. Might not even be on the right same trail as her. And of course, I forgot my pepper spray. There's wild pigs out here. See if we can find her. There's so many freaking trails here. Oh, something big just went in there. Something big. That was definitely an alligator. I wonder if he was sitting right on that. That was definitely a gator, guys. Did you hear it? Let's see if he surfaces. Something big just jumped in. Yeah, there was something big right here, and he's gone. All right, let's continue to try to find Nicole. All right, I gotta get on the other side. Let's see, how am I gonna do this? Okay, guys. I'll get back to you in a minute. I gotta figure out how to get on the other side. It's like a maze in here. Okay, so Nicole found her lost Waldo. She came back and got me. What a great chat with those guys, though. A lot of information. Down lower. So as you heard, it was on the other side that the girl was attacked.
Actually, you do have to go to the Barhead Trail and then come up. That's what you want to see off the top of the front.
Yeah, Brett will do it with me. There's some fresh, there's some fresh poop there, babe. Some digging here too. So we would have to park at the other place. Okay. Notice thinking, does Millie like spaghetti? Hey, as long as she's eating hot dogs. Yeah, she's starting to get up a little better too. As the strength of her legs are coming back.
I can walk 1,000 miles. I never go above 100 when I walk in the mountains. That little freezing heat, 112, 120.
Huh?
Get a restaurant?
Not yet, but I can create one for him.
Don't you remember, you gotta keep the river on the same side the whole time, and when you turn around, keep it on that side the whole time.
Okay.
When you veer off on the side trail, that's when you get lost.
Okay.
Keep along the river as much as you can. My fish goes away from the river, so okay, river's been on my left the whole time.
Well, that's why I knew I was kind of.
But you knew you were lost if you thought you had got across it, and you had not. You're in between streams. Better remember, on my left, river's on my left. This way, and on the right, going on.
I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. I would have loved to have it. '82. He looked great.
I would have let him study. I would not have let him get it. And the other guys, 71, never would.
Never.
They look like you. You look like that you're super healthy. Hey, just 20 miles a day out here? Holy crap. So healthy, good genetics, lost, probably eats decent.
Yep. Lean.
Lean.
It's the key. During the winter, there's a lot of diamondback rattlesnakes.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never seen it.
No.
I always see blackfin, never rabbit. Well, it's like out at that other bike trail that we walked 30 minutes. We walked through the water and back. Off Martin Dairy.
Yep.
We saw the coral snake. We don't see coral snakes anymore. But we went in the evening. that's what I see, especially inside. They do park their trailers or the horses on that side. I think they frown upon people walking here, but people walk here. I'm sorry. This is the best trail.
Yep.
They walk here. We did the 5 miles of the good stuff.
What are you at? 109. 109. What's that, babe? This way, right? Huh? Yeah, I see the spot. Oh yeah, remember this little creek. Oh yeah. Getting close.
You still filming?
Nope. Look at the trash people just throw. Jeez. It's awful. Bring a bag next time I come. More trash. I remember one of these things was flooded. I jumped over one. I remember my knee got.
It's freaking me out bad.
Yeah.
That was after one of the hurricanes. This whole place was flooded so bad. A lot of the trail, we actually parked the other part. Oh, here's your track.
Yeah. Got bear. It must be bear because I got a bear.
In Titusville, in the 1970s, there used to be a huge place that is now all gone. They had a monkey enclosure that they tried to keep the monkeys enclosed with a thin little thing of water, but all the monkeys got away. And it had snakes and alligators, and it was like a jungle adventure park.
Huh.
Yeah.
In Titusville.
In Titusville, right on US 1.
Wow.
In the 70s. It's quite a little tourist shop down there in the 70s. They had NASA on that, the orange stripe and pattern. The only thing left is the gift shop.
Huh.
It's not like a building for something. I think it's just an abandoned building. Not bad. I mean, it's not bad. What about you?
1-6.
That makes me feel really good.
Yeah.